Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I'm doing something a bit different. I am going to be speed cleaning and getting ready to make a quick little recipe for you. I don't know if you're like me, but my kids have been eating through everything, and I'm going to be doing some homemade stuff so I can replace something that they ate, and I don't have to run out to the store to do it. So if you're interested in that, view all the way through. Other than that, please bear with me. Like today I was really tired and I decided to just record whether I looked good or not. But as you can see, I'm not going to talk the whole time. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy it. Thank you. So there's a recipe on allrecipes.com to make your own ketchup at home. I do not have all the ingredients, so I'm kind of doing whatever I do. I don't even know what I'm saying. I might do a voiceover of this. But anyway, I have It calls for two 28-ounce cans of peeled ground tomatoes. I have crushed tomatoes that are peeled. I hope that is the same thing. The tomatoes, I do have 2 cans of the tomato, but the other can is already reserved. I'm gonna be making some chili when my ground beef thaws out. So I decided I'm gonna half this recipe. It also calls for a little bit of water. So it calls for half a cup of water. So I'm gonna update that to 1/4 a cup. 2/3 a cup of white sugar. I'm gonna figure that out. Some distilled white vinegar, some onion powder, granulated garlic. It calls for mustard powder, but I don't have mustard powder. I ran out of that. I do have mustard. I might just put a dollop in there and see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen with that. I'm also supposed to add a whole clove and some black pepper. I have everything except the clove. Oh, they call for celery salt, and I don't have celery salt. I do have a clove. I do have cloves. So I'll put 1 whole clove in there. I chose to use seasoned salt. It calls for probably white salt. I chose to use seasoned salt because I believe it has celery salt or celery salt flavor in it. They never tell you all the ingredients, but I believe it's in there somewhere, so it might give it the flavor that it would be missing without the celery salt. But I am just reminded that I need to pick up those seasonings in the meantime. So I will get these items prepped to just pour into my Instant Pot. And it looks like it's a kind of a slow cook recipe, so I will be cooking it slowly. Anyway, so this is, when push comes to shove and your kids eat you out of house and home and eat all your ketchup, this is what you do. Here's my unofficial taste tester. She's gonna let you know whether she likes it or not, and she's very honest when it comes to food. If she doesn't like something, she won't eat it. As you see here, she's nodding, so she likes it. I took a little taste too. It tastes great. It doesn't taste exactly like real ketchup or ketchup that you would buy in the store. It actually tastes better. I can't wait to put it on some hot dogs or something like that. She's actually trying it with sweet potato fries. But yeah, that is it. Here's the final product. Store it in glass and enjoy.